What's up guys, Bonkers Barko here, and as you guys can see, this doesn't really look like Fortnite, as it literally says Elden Ring on the front, but what I just wanted to say is that we're going to do a little bit of a switch up for Bonkers Barko, where every single Sunday we'll upload a video of a walkthrough of either game, but of course, you know, I've never played Elden Ring before. It looks like an amazing game, but never played it. And on Wednesdays, we're going to upload a Fortnite video. So you guys can also watch that. So it's two different, you know, uploads per week. I'm going to upload even more. That is exciting. I don't know about you guys. I am so, like, ready for this. Elden Ring. Let's do this. Okay, guys. So, as you guys can see, I'm not really at the starting point. And that is because I've only played about 1 minute of this game. Honestly, I just like walked down here, fell down a cave, and that is it. So, if you guys are watching this, this is episode 1 of Elden Ring. This is my character. Very nice. Anyways, let's do this game. So, read message. Ruin. Sure, that's a poor message. No, I don't like this ruin. It scares me. All right, what's next? Jump attack ahead. Okay, so that's attack, jump, attack. Okay, read message. Enemy ahead. Well, I can see that. He doesn't look like a nice guy. So, that's jump attack. Wah! Okay, well, yeah, die. Come on, there we go. Easy. Alright, so there's another guy here. Let's just do the same as before. Easy peasy. Alright, use an armament in your left hand or both hands to guard against incoming attacks. Guarding is especially effective when done with a shield. Guarding consumes stamina. If your stamina runs out, your stance will be broken. Sure. Alright. Ah! Oh my god, okay. Alright, suddenly got a little scary. So currently I've got a bow in my left hand. Pull back the bow. Bam. Easy. I'm getting good at this. Okay, what's here? Mist or beast? I'd rather mist. I don't know about you guys. You can avoid enemy attacks with a dodge roll or a back step. Both of these actions consume stamina. Well, currently my guy does not have very good stamina, I can't lie. Right, so B. Oh, nice. I can do a little volley-poly. It's a bit like, have you guys ever played Horizon? It's a bit like in Horizon. Oh, he is attacking me. No, thank you. Booyah. Wah. Got him, guys. I got him. He's down. So currently, I think I'm doing pretty good at this game. How do you crouch? Okay, so that's crouch. I think it's the same as Zelda, but I'm not sure. Behold, jumping. There we go. I'm very good at that one. Okay, so as we can see up here, I'm gonna use my bow. Right, come on. Pull back. Bam. Bam. Oh yeah. Headshot. Oh, down he comes. Bam. Alright. That's another one dead.
So long, losers!
So, let's just walk down here. Okay. I don't know what this phantom guy is, but I think he's quite nice. Each hand can be equipped with up to 3 armaments, allowing you to toggle between them. Armaments can also be two-handed, making attacks more difficult to repel, and shields and boosting effective strength by 50%. Switch right hand. Yeah, sure. So, Y+. Okay. So I can wield with 2 hands. That's very, like, a lot of freedom there. And switch left hand. Sure. Okay. Close. So, there we go. Okay. Still confusing. Why would I want to touch that bloodstain?
What's that?
Okay, so come here. Right, you know what? This guy's a bit more hard. I'm going to what was it? So alright, so that's my shield. Nice. And then Y. So those two-handed. Alright, there we go. But then how do I attack if I'm two-handed? Oh snap, he's getting me. He's getting me, guys. I don't like this. Get him! No shield for you. Take that. Okay, I'm getting the hang of this. Why is it always weak foe? I don't know. But why? Give me a harder one. Okay, so switch to my bow. Ba boy. No, I missed! Oh, come on, man, stop moving. Right, there we go. And again. Okay, well, this time, guys, there is 2, so it's gonna get a bit harder, as I can see. Hoo-ha, wow. There we go. Okay, so pretty sure I'm gonna use my bow for this. Yeah, equipped bow fire arrows. Sure, you can equip up to 2 types of arrows to choose from at once. When wielding a bow with 2 hands, hold LB for precision aiming. Use R to adjust your aim. Right, so that's fire type 1, that's fire type 2, and LB is aim. Or I can just put off a no scope. I don't think I'm that good. What did I just do? Okay, I just did something. So, switch to my bow. Yeah. Booyah. Oh yeah, bullseye. And again. Come on. Dead. Got him. Oh, I have to read the message. Damn it! Where is it? There we go. Archer. Yeah, I'm an archer. Armaments have special abilities called skills. Sure, skills are highly varied and range from powerful attacks to temporary effects. Using skills consume FP. I don't know what an FP is, so that's meant to be my skill. I don't have a skill. What is this? What is this? Okay, what if I change my weapon? Alright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No. I like that. Okay, crouch to make it harder for enemies to discover you, especially effective in tall grass. Attacking an enemy that hasn't noticed you will cause more damage than usual. Crouch and stand up. Okay, so, come on. Crouch. He doesn't see me. Okay, I'm gonna hold this with 2 hands. Come on. Here we go. Surprise!
Surprise!
Got him. Oh, no! I didn't get him. No. Okay, so, could this be a decoy? No. Right. Weak foe ahead. Maybe that good. I like that message. Because, what am I doing here? I don't know what I just drank. Critical hit. Okay, sure. Come on. Critical hit. Yes. I think I got a critical hit in there.
Yeah, boy.
Right, what's this? Off a tear. Off a tear. Okay. Can I crawl for here? Nope. Well, I'm just gonna eliminate this guy over here. Try running attack and then jump attack. Some enemies may break an enemy's stance, giving you a chance to perform a critical hit. Charge attacks and jump attacks make it particularly easy to break an enemy's stance. Hold RT, charge attack. Hold RT while jumping, jump attack. So what was it? Okay, oh yeah. And I can just charge. Okay, right. Oh yeah. I think that was pretty powerful there. Okay, I'm running. I'm scared. Psych. I'm gonna take out my bow. Whoop. Alright, come on. Boom. No! Phew. There we go. Wait. Dodge. And then... Oh yeah, I forgot how to do this. Oh, I have to switch to my thing. Alright, and then hold with 2 hands. Charge attack. Alright, I'm just gonna do that. This guy was hard. Fair play to that guy, you know. Okay, boss ahead. Oh snap, I don't think I'm very ready. Corpse ahead. Oh, that's not good. Stakes of Marika. Upon dying, you will receive the last site of grants that you visited. However, there's a stake of Marika near where you died. You can choose to be revived there instead. Okay, I think that this is going to become useful because there's a boss ahead, so... Who is this boss, guys? Green glute man. I'm joking. Alright. Try jump attack. Easy. First off, good luck. This is scary. No despair ahead. Alright. Traverse the mist. Soldier of Godric. Right, come on, mate. Where are you? You can perform a counter-attack immediately after blocking an enemy's attack. Guard counters make it easy to break an enemy's stance. RT immediately after blocking an attack. Guard counter. Sure thing. I'm scared. Run! He's coming! No! Ah! Alright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What are you thinking now, yeah? Now he's scared. Oh yeah! Oh, look at that dodge. Boom. Boom. Oh yeah, I'm getting him now. He is dying. Oh snap. Oh, run! Silly old me. Come on, Soldier of Godric's gonna get me. Ah! Alright, I'm gonna try jump attack. Ouch. I died. Ah dear. Oh dear. Okay. Choose. I'm gonna go here because why not? It was pretty blooming close to where I had died, and I quite like here how it gives me a tip there. It's pretty similar to other games like Zelda, as I once played. Son of Godric, I'm back, and I'm even angrier. I ran out of arrows. No, snap, run, get out of here. See that boy? Okay, right, switch to my alright, I'm gonna switch to my sword. Alright. Right, two-handed, come on. Oh yeah. I'm getting him now. Oh no! I'm dead already! Oh dear. Okay, Soldier of Godric, he is hard. He is hard. Yeah, he really was hard. Oh wait, no! No! Oh, he's coming with a charge attack. Okay. Alright. Ah, snap! I got Jake. Ouch! Oh no! Oh snap! Ouch! Man! Oh! Oh no! What? Okay, 30. Come on. Boom! Oh, I'm gonna. The triplet. You guys. Do you see what I mean by hard now? Anyways, let's go on with the video. Alright, let's do this. So, Godric, you're going down. Guys, if this is the sword of Godric, if you guys have wondered who actually is Godric, I'm scared. I don't want to fight Mr. Godric. Oh dear. Oh, come on. Right, boom. Ooh! Okay, come on. Come on. Get out of here. Ooh. Come on. I've broken him. Stance. Whatever it's called. Alright. He's low. Come on, guys. If you guys think I'm going to win this, press the like. If you don't, subscribe. That is how it works. I'm joking. Because I am going to win this, so you're going to like. Come on! Yes! Enemy. I didn't get to read. Whatever's. Enemy something. I think it said enemy be some enemy something. I failed. Womp womp. I did it. Yes, I did. Oh yeah. Praise the tawny shed. Praise the tawny sheds. Here again. Yeah, exactly, man. I was here about 10 minutes ago. Wait. I actually went down there and then I've gone in a big circle. Okay, fine. Praise the Elden Ring. Sure thing. How do I do this? Oh, I'm strength. I got some more strength. Okay, here we go, guys. Open. Hurry up, man. Push. I just beat a boss. I should be strong. I just got more strength. All right. Okay, guys, let's go up here. I don't quite know what this is. Touch Grace. Lost Grace discovered. What's this? Use tiny shed furrowed finger to write a gold summon sign. That is a bit freaky. Cooperate multiplayer will begin once you have summoned a player from another world. Multiplayer, that sounds fun. You will take the role of an ally, the furrowed finger, and your objective is to defeat the area boss. Sounds great. The compass at the top of the screen indicates the direction of the summoner. Host of fingers. I don't want to pick up a finger. Yep, sure. At this point, I might as well pick up a hand. Alright. Praise the message. And then try again later. Sure. Psych! I'm not gonna do that. Anyways, guys. Today has been an amazing... Oh. Oh no, what's happening? Oh, snap. Oh dear. I feel like something's bad's gonna happen. Good luck. Okay, that is the perfect twist for next time, guys. Anyways, that has been an amazing video. This game is actually pretty cool. I'm going to do I'm gonna play it until I beat it, and I hope I'll see you guys in the next one. Boo!